This week I'd like to introduce you all to an app called Seek. It's free to download. You can download it on your phone or your tablet, and it is an identification app, which means it will tell you the name of whatever living species you pointed at. You start by pressing home and it will come up with all species. So if you're not sure whether what you're looking at is a plant or a fungus or whatever, then just leave it on all species. If you do know what it is, if you know that it's, for example, an amphibian or a fungi or a fish or a reptile, one of these categories are down here, then you can just leave it on one of those and click done, and it will look through all the different insects, for example, for you. But if you're really not sure what it is that you're looking at, then you can just leave it on all species. Let's go outside and have a go and see what we can see. So I'm outside now, and I know that this is a plant, so I put my Seek app on plant category, and I point the camera at the flower or the other part of the plant, and I might want to actually move it up or down to get a better focus, but it should be able to tell me what it is. Let's have a look. So it's scanned the plant, the flower, and identified it just using this little app, and it tells me it's a purple foxglove, and it even tells me its Latin name underneath if you want that as well, the digitalis name. And so it's a really handy app, and you can identify all sorts of things that you don't know the name of just by pointing your smartphone at the object. And you do have to wiggle it around a little bit sometimes to get a different view, so that it comes into focus more. It'll tell you exactly what it is if you just keep wiggling it around. It'll also keep a record of your observations, so everything you've looked at will be catalogued on the app. So there I've got a carpet beetle, to my horror, and these are some of the weeds and plants, wildflowers that are in my garden. You've also got some little challenges that you can do if you want to earn badges. You can do that. There's a monthly challenge. And lastly, you can learn about the iNaturalists global community. It will tell you there on the screen that there are 1,100,000 iNaturalists using this app and recording their species that they've seen. And there have been 40 million actual recordings made on this app. So you can add your findings to the global community as well, which is exciting. If you scroll down, you'll see some other people's photos that they've taken, so that clearly is probably Australia, I would imagine. Somebody's taken a picture of a grey kangaroo there. And if you want to log in and join up to iNaturalist, you can do that, but you don't have to. You can just identify the species and just have fun doing that. Okay.